Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today in this video we will be learning the multiplication tables from 16 to 20. Let's get started. Let's begin the multiplication table for 16. 16 1 ja 16, 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 6 are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160. 16 10s are 160. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160. Let's begin the multiplication table for 17. 17 1s are 17, 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153, 17 9s are 153, 17 10s are 170, 17 10s are 170. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153, 17 10s are 170. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153. 17 10s are 170. Let's begin the multiplication table for 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 fives are 90. 18 six are 108. 18 six are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. 18 tens are 180. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 six are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 six are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. Let's begin the multiplication table for 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 fives are 95. 19 six are 114. 19 six are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. 19 tens are 190. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 six are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 six are 114. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. Let's begin the multiplication table for 20. 20 ones are 20, 20 ones are 20, 20 twos are 40, 20 twos are 40, 20 trees are 60, 20 trees are 60, 20 fours are 80, 20 fours are 80, 25s are 100, 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 26 are 120, 27s are 140, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 29s are 180, 20 tens are 200, 20 tens are 200, 20 ones are 20, 20 twos are 40, 20 trees are 60, 20 fours are 80, 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 20 tens are 200. 20 ones are 20, 20 twos are 40, 20 trees are 60, 20 fours are 80, 25s are 100, 26 are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 20 tens are 200. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.